Welcome to our channel. Affordable auto parts for every driver. Identify the exact part you need. Start by figuring out exactly what part you need. Check your manual, your VIN, or the part number. Don't guess, you'll only waste money and time. Compare prices everywhere. Never stick to just one store. Check your local shops, the bigger chains, and online platforms. You'll see the same part priced very differently. Don't overlook second-hand options. Used parts can save you big money. Salvage yards, junkyards, and certified used sellers often carry parts that still have plenty of life left. Check refurbished or reconditioned parts. These parts are tested, fixed up, and sold for less. Things like alternators, starters, or electronics are worth looking at in refurbished form. Watch for seasonal discounts. Keep your eyes open during holiday weekends, clearance events, and online flash sales. Timing your purchase can save you a chunk of cash. Sign up for rewards or memberships. It takes a minute, but those loyalty programs, email coupons, or store memberships often knock a few extra bucks off your total. Buy in bundles when you can. For things you know you'll need, filters, spark plugs, brake pads, bundles are almost always cheaper. Stocking up pays off later. Look into aftermarket brands. OEM isn't the only option. Plenty of aftermarket parts are solid, reliable, and way less expensive. Just check reviews and make sure they fit your car. Use online forums and communities. Drivers love sharing deals. Hop into car forums, Facebook groups, or Reddit threads and you'll find links, advice, and real feedback. Ask about warranties or returns. Affordable doesn't mean risky. Before you buy, make sure you can return the part or at least have some kind of short warranty to fall back on. Build a relationship with a local supplier. When you stick with the same shop, you'll often get better treatment, discounts, tips, or even first dibs on sales. Learn some simple DIY installs. This one saves you the most. By handling smaller installs yourself, you avoid paying for labor. Start simple, watch a couple tutorials, and grow from there. Thank you for watching.